Hi guys, this is DJ. Welcome to Edge Effect Permaculture. Here is a soil that we have recently dug, and you can see it's doing exceptionally well. All the nitrogen fixers and some radish here, which we are going to harvest before the nitrogen fixers grow too tall. We are going to harvest a crop of radish from this. It also helps loosen the soil because the soil underneath this is very hard, very compact. And this place is full of termites. I mean, you won't believe it. I'll just show you. It's full of termites. Now we got all this mulch, and before we put it all on the swale, the mulch was here. The heap of mulch was all over this place, and you can observe here that ants have moved in. Ants are a step next to termites. They are actually attacking termites and bringing out termite eggs. And they are controlling the termite population here, and this is one of the best ways. Mulching is one of the best ways to control termites in your farms, in your gardens. There are so many questions out there on the Facebook, in Google groups and pages, where people are asking about termites for their mango trees, for their tamarind trees and all of that. And there are suggestions like pour hot water, do this, do that, do this chemical application and all of that. Before you go to all those techniques, I suggest you start heavily mulching. It not only adds organic matter back into the soil, as you can see, it provides the climate required for ants to move in, and ants will start controlling your termites. You can watch documentaries about termites, you can read up about termites and their life cycles, and you will come to know that ants are one of their biggest control agents out there in the nature. As you can see here, come close and look at this. You can see the ants running all over, bringing out eggs, taking away eggs, setting up homes, raiding termite mounds all around, and that is one of the best ways to control termites. Let me show you how rampant termites are out here. That's just where I was sitting, just across these beds, and hardly 20 feet away, you can see the way things are here. You can see a clump of grass and a lot of dead organic matter on the ground. It has lodged itself, but you can see all these are all termites, right? And termites have holes underneath the ground, and they are forming up colonies all around the place, especially in these gravelly kind of places, soils. There's hardly any topsoil here. The previous owner of this plot, of this place, wanted to convert this into a residential lot, with plots and all that. So he heavily rolled all this. This used to be a good farm, mango farm, I heard, but the whole of the trees have been demolished, and they have put in moram on top of it, gravelly, sandy soil on top of this, and rolled it thick. And this is the state of the soil right now, and termites all around. And as soon as we brought in mulch, you can see ants moving in, taking care of the problem there. Gone are the termites. The termites will be there, as they are in my forest gardens in Hyderabad, but they'll only surface in the appropriate season, in the appropriate places, in a much controlled way. So this is a quick tip for you. Can't do long videos right now because the bandwidth is very low. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching Edge Effect Permaculture. As you can see, I'm working on a farm and not on a rooftop. So there are going to be more videos regarding the broad scale permaculture or even the small scale permaculture out here. Then there will be videos on rooftop gardening. I will keep on making rooftop gardening videos, of course, but please keep on watching Edge Effect Permaculture for great permaculture news and advice and tips, and participate in what we are doing. Thanks for watching.